Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Hope all of you will be fine. Today in our class, we will do the new topic of new chapter, weather and climate. I know all of you are well aware of the weather and climate. There is a little difference between weather and climate, which we will discuss and cover in this session. Weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere which can be changed day by day, describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. So, what is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heat, cloudness, dryness, sunshine, wind, or rain, or etc. So these are no, are known as the weather. So weather can be changed डे बाय डे और एट टाइम्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर सुबह में कुछ वेदर है इट्स लाइक क्लाउडी तो दोपहर में जो है इट विल बी वेरी हॉट एंड ड्राई और सनशाइन हो रहा होगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है तो वेदर चेंजेस नॉट ओनली डे बाय डे बट टाइम टू टाइम ऑल्सो कभी वेदर क्लाउडी है तो कभी रेनी है कभी स्टॉमी है तो कभी विंडी है दैट दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ वेदर फिर आता है एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वेदर्स की आप देख लें as shown in this picture. Okay, look at this picture. What kind of weather is this? It's raining. So this is rainy. What you will say if it is raining? So you will say the weather is rainy today. Then comes the cloudy. If the sky is covered with the clouds and sun is behind the clouds, so what you will say? The weather is cloudy today. Then comes stormy. If there is a thunderstorm and heavy rain, then you can say it's a stormy weather today. Then the fast winds are blowing in this picture. Look at this picture. Very fast winds are blowing in this picture. So the weather is windy in this picture. Sunny. The sun is shining and the weather is hot. Then snow is falling in this picture. So the weather is snowy in this picture. As we have in our northern areas, the snowy weather is snowy. So these are the examples of weather. Okay, weather. What is the weather? Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular time of a particular place. So it can be changed day by day or time to time. And examples we have done is snowy, windy, cloudy, hot or dry weathers or arid. No, not the arid. Next comes the climate. The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. It is the average weather condition of a particular area for a long time, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. What difference you have seen between the weather and climate definitions? Okay, weather was a condition of atmosphere for a short time. It can be changed time to time or day by day. But climate is the weathering condition or condition of atmosphere prevailing in an area for a long period. और long period कितना हो सकता है? About 30 years का. So it is the average condition of weather prevailing in an area over a long time. So this is known as climate. Look, all these climates are shown in this picture. Okay, tropical, arid or hot. Climatic regions of Pakistan, of the world. World is divided into different climatic regions according to their climate. For example, polar climates are very cold and dry throughout the year. Look in this picture, the polar climate is shown. The Polar climate is very cold and dry. Why? Because the north and south pole do not receive the much sunlight throughout the year. So the climate remains very cold and dry throughout the year. Next come arid zone. As shown in the picture, okay, which climate is shown? Arid climate. The desert is shown with the arid, hot and dry climate is known as the arid climate, very hot climate. Land having little or no rain, too dry or barren to support vegetation. Okay, if there is no rainfall or a very little rainfall, ना होने के बराबर बारिश हो या ना हो, तो climate becomes very hot and dry and barren to support vegetation. Barren means too poor to produce vegetation. So the fertility of land becomes zero if there is no rainfall. The land will not be fertile to produce any vegetation. So in arid zones like this desert as seen in the picture कि देखें यहाँ पे there is no vegetation because the land is not fertile as there is no rainfall and very hot and dry climate is here, over here. So it becomes barren to support vegetation. There is no vegetation in this climate. Tropical region. An area with tropical climate is one with an average temperature of above 18 degrees Celsius. Areas nearby the equator enjoys this type of climate. What is mean by this? Okay, look at this equator. And the regions which are near the equator will have the tropical climate. The blue area shows the regions on the equator and having the tropical climate. Tropical climate is a climate with average above 18 degrees Celsius. इस क्लाइमेट में क्या होता है कि ड्यू टू द सनशाइन हॉट क्लाइमेट एवोपरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. जितने भी यहाँ पर कोस्टल एरियाज होते हैं या सीज होते हैं या ओशन, वहाँ से ड्यू टू द हीट सन शाइनिंग, क्योंकि इक्वेटर पर ओवरहेड सन होता है ऑन द इक्वेटर, और उसकी वजह से जितने भी कोस्टल एरियाज होते हैं उनसे एवोपरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. दैट्स विच रिजल्ट्स इन द हैवी रेनफॉल्स. और हैवी रेनफॉल्स होती है इसलिए यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा वेजिटेशन भी होता है इस क्लाइमेट में. सो दिस इज फेवरेबल क्लाइमेट which produces for more vegetation. So these are the types of climate. Thick regions of the world which we have done different climates: arid, tropical and hot climate and polar regions. After this, how we will measure the weather. There are different instruments to measure the weather. For example, in this picture, the instrument shown is rain gauge. Rain gauge is used to measure the level of the rainfall. कि कितनी मिलीमीटर रेन हुई है उसको इससे मेजर करते हैं रेन गॉज. Wind vane as shown in this picture, it is the instrument to measure how fast the winds are blowing, to measure the speed of the winds. So wind vane is used to measure the speed of the winds. Thermometer, as all of you know, if we get some fever, so we can measure the temperature of our body through the thermometer. So this is used to measure the body temperature. Thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. Then comes barometer. This is the barometer which is used to measure the pressure of the air at any region. After doing these instruments used to measure the weather of different conditions of different regions, what you have to do, this was a very easy and simple topic. What you have to do, you have to read this topic in your textbook also, and all of you, I hope, would have understood, because it is very simple and easy topic. So after reading the book, you have to do your tasks. What is weather? Write down the definition of weather in this and list down some examples of weather which we have discussed in this presentation. Name the weathers we are enjoying nowadays. कि जो भी वेदर है आजकल वो आपको लिखना है कि वेदर इट इज़ हॉट, ड्राई और क्लाउडी और विंडी और स्नोई और जो भी है। वैसे तो कराची में व्हाट वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग, वी हैव अ वेरी हॉट weather in Karachi, or whether you are enjoying or not, you can write in your answer कि आप enjoy कर रहे हैं इस weather को या नहीं कर रहे हैं. So define the climate. Next question, and explain climatic regions of the world which we have shown you in the presentation. So do this assignment, and girls please listen carefully कि your assignments must be completed in your copy. This will be taken as the progress, or will help to make your progress at the time of making your results. So please do not forget to do the assignment. सब जो है आप सब रेगुलरली अपना असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर और सेंड किया करें, ताकि मैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे आपका चेकिंग करूं और फिर आपका कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड होगा, विच विल हेल्प इन मेकिंग योर प्रोग्रेस. तो प्लीज़ आप ज़रूर असाइनमेंट्स किया करें और ऑनलाइन जूम क्लासेस भी ज़रूर अटेंड किया करें. यू मस्ट हैव योर फुल अटेंडेंस इन assignments as well as in your Zoom online class. So that's all for today. We, we will meet again in next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe and stay blessed.